folks. Not going to be much in this one, but I'm just going to get a couple of fish out if I can get hold of them and have a look at them in the bowl. What I have noticed, I've got this plant here, got some green fly coming on it. But watch out for things like that, especially if you do have a grow and you do have plants as well, because they will get on your plants and affect them. So what I do, I brush them off, and then I sometimes use a soap based spray that I've got. So no more messing. I'm going to try and get a couple of fish out. It's going to be a bit difficult. I've not got my koi sock and pan net. I do need probably some smaller ones, but I use this old fishing net. I know this netting is not ideal, but they're just going to be hopefully guided into or grabbed quickly, and I close it, carry them, put them into this very quickly. Now they're generally under this. Oh, the water's cold. Jeez. God, 12 degrees. I tell you what, I've just done a video about the heater not kicking in. God, your hands. Whoa. Cheese me off. It has cheesed me off. I've got to raise this now to back to 20 again. And then the koi will start feeding again, and so things happen, don't they, in the koi world. That's why you have to get on them every day. Check them every day. Check your equipment every day. Right, I think I've about got the one that I want. I've had bollocks. Language. There we go. I'll see if I can get a fuel. Here we go. So what you have to be careful when you do this is you watch the jumpers, because they do like to jump. Trust me, they love to jump koi. There's two. I want the Kiko, should I say. Kiko, where are you? Tancho's in here. There's a Kahaku that I might get in here as well, actually. Shadow is doing well. Looks like he's put some timber on. Tell you what, let's have a look at these first, and then I'll try and get the other. I bought about 5 ging rings. A ging ring is when the actual scales are metallic, and I've got a couple of crackers here. One's a shower, but it's got a lovely head spot, and I'll see if I can get it up. There's, look, beautiful fish. Christ! Tell you what, 12 degrees on your hands is, gee, you get that sting. Normally it's a pleasure to put my hand in here because it's 20 degrees. These two are looking lovely. So I've got this in-ring shower. Lovely fish. Look at that. The actual scalation is amazing. Absolutely love it. It's obviously not probably show quality. I don't think so. I don't know. But it's an absolute lovely fish. And the other ging ring that I got was a goshki. Or some say goshiki. And I love the head pattern. It's got like this zigzag type head pattern. I love the full coverage as well. And beautiful fish. Now let me try and get this Kika Kurai, or it shouldn't be a problem because it's the biggest one in here. Apart from the Tancho Kahaku, which is a bit pencil-like in a minute. I'm hoping it's going to recover. It seems to be doing well. Seems happy enough. Just needs to fatten up. And the water temperature, as it is at the minute, will not fatten it up. This Karai just does not want to be caught. So help because I've got a this floating. Ah, that's better. It's come out. I'll have it now. Come out. Also, actually, I've got two of my favourite fish here now, which is my shag and the ring ring. So we just put this back up, dry out. I've got to dry my hands out because they're freaking freezing. Woo! And so let me see if I can just about see them. There's a Kikokorayu. Look at the glistening on the, oh look at the Chagoi. See? Chagoi came up and like kissed my hands. That's a Ginring Chagoi. I love it. One of the first up, growing well. It changes. Look, oh no, I can't wait for that to be big. And I bought that inside. It just had a little bit of carp pox coming on its tail, and I sort of nipped the carp pox off and got it in. So I give everything a bit of a wipe down line here, and the edges, so it's clean. You have to watch your koi when you've got them bowled up because the buggers will jump, no doubt about that. Now looking at this, interestingly, the Sumi to me looks like it's faded on its head, and I thought that when I got it, you know. I thought it was doing that. Chago's looking for some food, look. Oh mate. Hey. And yeah, so I bought this fish because it had a really good body shape. From Yoshikigoi, so it's a good dealer. And it's one of those fish that to watch it, see it develop over the years is the interest, because they can change dramatically depending on temperature and water. Seriously. Now I can see straight away that unfortunately for me at the minute the Benny coverage is good. It's fading a bit down this side, and it's also faded on that gill plate, look. Sorry, I'm going from Benny now to Sumi. The Sumi is definitely faded. So I wonder if that's down to the water temperature. The actual pecs, the metallic on him is incredible. It looks metallic. Look at the edges of it, it's just glistening. I don't know if you can see that there. See the edges? Beautiful. So let's just pick it up and let's have a look at them. See the fading of the... Let's get that camera light off. I don't know why the lights come on, but anyway, I'll leave it on for a bit. So, both getting quite nice chunky fish. The Chagoi though. Look at the look at the glistening of the scales. Don't jump. Beautiful fish. I can't wait until I hope it grows and puts on some timber. That's why I got it in here. Got another fish down there, another Ginring that I bought at the same time. See it? Chiba. Beautiful. Then I bought that Ginring Tancho Kashiki. Another beautiful fish. So that's a couple of them been out. It's nice to see them. Flip them over, have a look. And it's lovely to see them develop. The skin on that, it's obviously a Doitsu or a Deutsch. That means scaleless, apart from the top plates there, look. And the skin quality is beautiful. Lovely fish. When I got it, the actual video that I got, I think it must have been under LED because it did look redder, I must admit. It is lighter in the flesh, more of a orangey Benny than a deep red. I was slightly, I must admit, a pinch disappointed because it's not like that Benny. It did look redder in the actual video that when I was buying it, but I'm not overly disappointed because I do love the fish. I do love to see things develop, and you know, I got a good price for it, and it'll be an interesting fish over the years to see it develop. But they're happy enough. Good body on that Chagoy. Got a nice high body, quite wide for its age. Well, not its age, but you know, its size. Can't grow them as well as we can the Japanese in the mud ponds. Their fish, that fish there would be, I think, in their mud ponds after 2 years old, that would be 50 centimetres, no doubt. Funny enough, these, I think these are Coda begin rings that I got about 5 that, and these ones that's already in here that I've shown you already, all of them are all of a similar size, which is unusual. Not one of them is getting bigger or smaller. They're all developing quite the same, apart from the Chagoy definitely growing quicker. The Gashiki, the Tancho Gashiki that I've shown you, just a little sneak, that's quite small, so it's, I don't know whether it's the bloodline or what, but yeah, there's the koi in the grove. I've had a couple out. This is about, looking about 35 centimetres, 37, that's 30, gotta be. And hopefully I'm going to get the lid back on in a minute because they will jump, guarantee you that. In fact, let me let them out before they do. There you go. Beautiful, lovely hobby this is. I'll put that back in a minute. There's Chag. Like I say, I would like a bottom drain on this, but hey, it's good enough. So let's see what the heater's doing. 12.5 already, look. Got from 12.1 to 12.5, 0.4 degrees already. So I'll leave that now for today. Here they are all huddled up, look. They like to hide in place. I've got these floating, that floating basket, but it's quite deep, and I think in my main pond there might not be a good, as good a thing actually, because they knock themselves on the head. I've had a couple where they knock themselves, I think, on them and straight the head. And 2 of them are Goshiki. The Benny's gone on the head, which is filling in now with Sumi, so it might have a nice Sumi head spot, so sometimes you get a bit of a bonus out of it, don't you? And then the other, well, I've got 2 actually. The other's got like white marks on its head appearing where the Benny scraped off, and one of them's like a flash on its head, so that's looking interesting. So you sometimes do well out of it, but I would imagine if you're getting judged, they are classed as like a fault, if you like. So let's just end on a Chagoy out, look. I'll check my food, see what's happening in there. My pond hoover that I've got, the motor's gone, that's knackered, so I used to like every week just have a bit of a sup up in here. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, please like, please ask questions, please live and learn, please be happy and positive. Thank you.